Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. Gorgeous, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Join the gorgeous family. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's get into this video. So today, yes, is another Shein video. Hey, so these ones, they are, how would I put it? They are all accessories for like nails. For their accessories in short, everything I want to share here, they are accessories from Shein. So Shein, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Okay, all right guys, let's dash into this video. I'm going to share everything with you guys, everything that is here, in case if you are interested. The link to all the items will be on the description box as usual, so don't hesitate to like go to the description box, check them out and grab them. So first is going to be this one here, and this is a can you can use for different purposes. You can put water in here, you can put nail remover in here, whatever you want to put, or if you want to put any product inside, you can just pour your product inside. And yeah, I like it. I just like the way it is, transparent, gorgeous. It has this here. Okay, I think for remover would be better. Remover, or maybe if you have a facial soap, you want to use your cotton bud or wiper, you just press it. See, I like that. The next one will be this one. Okay, I like this very one because it's something you just pour water in. You pour water inside. You guys know I reviewed a lot of wigs, so you pour your water or your moisturizer, you mix with water, and you just spray this, okay, on your curly hair or whatever hair you want. It's so gorgeous. I like it, and I like the color pink. Is everything. With the quality of this, look at this, and the price are not expensive at all. So the next one is this one, something to put my makeup brushes. I would have opened them before bringing them out, before sharing them. But anyway, so look at this. This is so cute. It is so cute. Look at how it's the glinters. Okay, look at it. Just to put your brushes inside. Let me try to bring some brush out. Okay, like this. Okay, you see it. It's so cute. Or if you want to use it for any other purpose, you can use it for any other purpose. Maybe putting your pen inside, or even your lip liners, whatever, or whatever you want to use it for. It's so cute. I love it. Makeup wipe that is washable. You can wash it. You can wash it after you use it multiple times. It's so soft. Let me bring it up. Look at it. It's so soft and it's washable. Use it multiple times. You just this is soft. This is soft. Look at it. So soft. I wish you guys can feel this. So soft. So you put your soap or whatever, you use this. And one thing I like with it, because it's washable, and it came in three in this thing. Okay, 3 of it. Okay guys, next are these lip liners. You can see this one you just have to what happened? Okay, you need to sharpen it. Is it that you need to sharpen it? Okay. The thing just fell from it. Okay, this is it. You need to sharpen this. Okay, this is it. And I have this one. See, the two look almost alike, but one is darker than one. See it? Let me put it in my hand. Okay, look at it here. Can you guys see it here? Okay, then let me use the other one to see. This other one is lighter. Okay, this one is lighter. You can see the two. This one is lighter. Okay, this one is lighter while this is darker. You see the two shades. They are lip liners. I like the two shades anyway. The two shades are okay. Okay, the next one is this brush for hair. When you're washing your hair, to really scrub your scalp, you know, to really scrub your scalp. I will love this. I can't wait to use this to wash when I'm washing my hair. Use this to really scrub my scalp so that all the depth inside can come out. See, and it's soft. It's hard, not too hard. It's not that hardness that will injure you. It's, how will I, excuse me, I don't know how to put it for you guys. So this is it. This nail glue. I use nails. I wear nails now. Okay, because of the last time I tried it and I fell in love with nails. So this is nail glue. Nail glue. Okay, it's a nail glue. So the next thing are these lashes. Okay, I like these lashes. Makeup pack. Funny enough, you guys know I have a skirt that looks like this. I have a skirt that looks like this. Oh yeah. When I saw it, I said, what? It's just like my skirt. The material is so cute and it's wide. Look at it, it's wide. So many things can enter if you're traveling. I'm so happy. When I saw this, I said, wow, this is so beautiful. It's really beautiful. So many things, and the size is really okay. See, you see the material. See the material they use. I have a skirt like this of this same thing. This is a lash glue. It has this hook. See it, this thing here. So I think it's just to bring dirt from inside nails, to clean your nails. I think that's the use. I love the color. I like the way it is. These nails you're seeing here, they are these ones. Okay, I did my nails yesterday. I brought it from here because it was it's two sets that was inside. I used the first set now. It's pressed on nails, but I have to use glue so that it will last for me for like 3 weeks. Like I said, I like carrying them for 3 weeks. The first one I tried, my first time of doing those nails, is 3 weeks I carried it, and this one I'm going to carry it for 3 weeks as well. See it, you guys can see them. They are so lovely. See this one, I can't wait to wear these ones. I've not opened it. Let me open it. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. They are still pressed on nails. All what I'm taking is pressed on nails. Okay, you see, they have two sets inside. Look at these ones. You see these ones? They are like French tips. This glue, if you use it on your nails, this very one right here, I told you guys that the other one I've not tried it, is my first time. Then this one I've used it before. The one I bought with my money is there. Let me go and bring it. So guys, this is the one I bought. It's finished. It's still remaining small. So I was thinking yesterday that this one will not be enough, so I decided to cut this one open so that in case if this one is not enough, I can use this one. But I did not use this one is still remaining. It's still, I couldn't even finish it. I could not finish it. So this glue, guys, this glue, please, if you know you just want to wear the nails for a day or just for 2 days, don't use it. My hair. Okay, if you know you want to wear your nails for a day or 2 days, I advise you not to use this glue. Just use the press on, the thing that they send with it. Use that, okay? But if you know you want to carry it up to a month, you can use this glue. Let me show you guys, to tell you guys how strong this glue is. I want to show you guys something. Looking at this nail, you will see that it's bent. Look at, if you see the two, you see that this one is bent. So when I was fixing the nails last night, you see it, when I was trying to fix my nails last night, I don't know what happened. I just pulled this one. Before I said I should straighten it, I could not again. I just put the glue, put the nail on top. I saw that it's not straight. Before I could say I should straighten this, I could not. That is why it's like this. It's even paining because I tried to force it, tried to remove it. I could not. If you see it, it's bent. See this one is straight. You see it? So that is to tell you how powerful this glue is. That is why I'm showing you guys the example. Alright guys, that is it for this Shein accessories haul. I hope you like it. Like I said, all details will be on the description box, the link to all the items. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.